Okay, I'm on the ferry to Santorini. Thank you to Crete. Crete was great. I needed more time here too. Lots to do, lots of adventures in Crete. People were cool, the food was good. Our resort was beautiful. No complaints on this side. And Santorini, let's see what you have for us. Yours truly, Zahra Elise, and I made it to Santorini finally. This is the last leg of the trip, and we're staying here in a cave, basically, in the hill, in the mountain. I don't know, something. Anyways, come check it out. Travel a little heavier on these parts. Yikes. Alright, let me check it out. Too cute.
Oh wow.
We got our own kitchen. We have our chef, he's right here.
Chef O. Chef O in the building.
The chef. Yes, look at this bathroom. Oh shit. A little big.
Ooh.
So cute. Adorable. Adorable. It looks like we'll be playing the hat trick for the bed. Of our trip right here in Santorini. We're taking a yacht for a sunset sail. My eyeballs! Okay, that was the first stop. A nice little swimming spot. Refreshing. The water is not too cold or not too hot. It's beautiful. Off to the next stop on our sunset sailing cruise. The next stop we've arrived to, the Black Sand Beach. It's volcanic ash and apparently really soft. We're about to test it out. Yeah, I'm going back. We made it to shore. It is black volcanic ash. How cool.
The shade. Oh, there's the sun. Does she?
Okay, we've made it to our next stop, which is the hot springs part. We're about to put mud all over our bodies. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, we're swimming, going to the right. You good little. All right, We're still swimming. And for the record, it smells like sulfur. Woo, this thing stank. Stank. Like hard-boiled eggs. Apparently, it's like a spa treatment. It's supposedly really good for you. We will see. We're about to rub it all over our face and find out. Heaven forbid I break out tomorrow.
Yep, you got it.
This is supposed to be really good for your skin, even though it smells like eggs. I don't know about all this. I had sunblock on. Sunblock is gone now. All right. Supposed to let it dry into mud or clay or I don't know really. How's it look? Is it covered? Oh God. Let's see, we should do a picture like this.
Upset.
I'm upset. Okay. Well, supposed to let this dry, I guess. Oh no. It looks like floating poo and egg whites. I'm not really sure how to feel about this. Maybe by the time we swim back to the boat, it'll dry. But the water is definitely warm. It's a hot springs over here.
I can dip my foot in like all
This
the way
is
to my
ridiculous.
knee. All the way to my knee.
All I'm gonna say is, all I ever need to do this is once in my whole life. Okay, letting my mud dry. We're off to the next stop. Goodbye, hot springs, sulfur pots. Okay, it's time to rinse the mud off in the clear blue water. Sunset. This is the last stop on our cruise. So far, so good. Watch this beautiful sunset here in Santorini, Greece. Thank you for joining me today on my excursion around Santorini, and I hope you come visit this beautiful place. Comment below your favorite stop.